Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common but frustrating issue when your Android device just refuses to download or install apps. Whether it's your favorite game or a crucial productivity tool, getting stuck can be a real pain. But don't worry, we've got several fixes to get you back in action. So let's get started. First things first, let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is often the culprit. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if there's any improvement. Also try loading a web page or streaming a video to test your connection strength. If your internet's fine but the problem persists, it's time to dive deeper. Next up, let's clear the Google Play Store cache. Sometimes the app's cache can get corrupted, causing all sorts of issues. Go to Settings, then Apps. Here, find Google Play Store. Tap on it, then tap on Storage. Here you'll see two buttons, Clear Cache and Clear Data. With Clear Cache, and try downloading the app again. Still no luck? Don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. A lack of storage space could also be stopping your downloads. Head to Settings and look for Storage if you're running low. If your device is almost full, try deleting some unused apps or media files to make room. Making space could just be the solution you need. But if there's plenty of space and you're still stuck, let's move on. An outdated Google Play Store app can also lead to download issues. Open the Play Store. Tap on the profile icon at the top right. Go to Settings and then About. Here you'll see an option to update Play Store. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Updating can resolve any compatibility issues with the device, but if you're updated and still facing problems, there's another settings to check. Believe it or not, incorrect date and settings can interfere with Google Play functions. Go to Settings, then on System, and tap on Date and Time. Make sure automatic date and time is enabled. This ensures your device's clock is in sync with the network's time. Correcting the date and time must just do the trick. But if you're still here, we have one more solution to try. If all else fails, try resetting your app's preferences. This won't delete any app data but will reset all apps to their default settings. Go to Settings, then System, then tap on Reset Options. Reset app preferences. This can help clear up any settings conflicts that might be preventing app installations. Alright, we've got several ways to tackle this frustrating issue. Hopefully, one of these solutions got your apps downloading and installing again.